But a bigger problem is that there's a gap between the time of assessment and the time of learning. So we don't really know whether kids are understanding how to take the test or whether they actually understand the content that was tested or that they were taught in the classroom. Here's an area where I think digital media and gaming in specific can really add to our understanding of assessment. When you play a game, the performance of the task is the assessment. Whether you're doing whatever the activity is in the game, building a civilization, conducting a campaign, making something, that is the assessment. In other words, if you do the activity well, then you've done the activity well. That's the assessment of the activity. This emphasis on performance-based assessment has drawn the attention of a lot of assessment designers to use games as the model for what our next generation assessments are going to look like. Imagine a world where, for example, for English language learners, where you wander into a 3D world, you have a task to do, find something or interact with someone about getting directions, and the interaction is the assessment of your ability. We're almost there, being able to develop the next generation of assessments based on game technologies so that we can bring assessment closer to the occasion of learning and really provide much more authentic measures of how people learn.
So one reason video games are really helpful for studying how people learn is that they generate what's called data exhaust. That is, that everything you do, wherever you click, it's sort of logged, or we at least have some record of it a lot of the time. When we are performing studies with video games, we can get access to those logs if you're part of the study. And then we can see the specific tracks that you take through a game, or the specific ways you go about solving a problem.
People pay for games and play games because they're engaged in a struggle with an interesting problem against which they eventually succeed through increasing mastery. And with that model, I think we can be thinking about what is engaging about games much more clearly, but we can also be thinking about what should schools be.